Hi, my name is Kevin Hill with Berkshire Hathaway Properties, and I'm excited to show you this new listing that is coming on the market. And it is one of the most highly upgraded homes I've had in a very long time. Very seldom do you get the rare find of a older home, resale home that looks brand new. The consistency of the upgrades are all the way through the home. It is just spectacular. Right across the street is a walking trail, and there are trails throughout the community, and it's only 1/2 a block to Irvine. So come and take a look and see what you think. Thanks so much.